Hello and welcome back. So I am back at a beach today. It's a beach I've been to before, and that is simply because we've had some wild weather. I'm not able to go very far today. The sea is very rough. I'll show you. It's very moody today. Lots of snow on the mountains. So yeah, at the beach today, won't be here for too long, just quickly got down while there was a break in the rain. So let's see if I can find any great rocks today. One bonus of the rough sea is that a whole heap of fresh gravel gets washed up. That's quite cool. I'd spotted something else though and now I've lost it. Damn. Oh, I like that one though. Damn. Quite cool. Oh. I think I spot something. Not what I anticipated. I also spotted. This beach seems to provide all the greens. Cool. Using my rocket pocket today. Oh. That's interesting. That's cool. I quite like that one. Okay, so I'm going to head back now. I did not prepare for the chill in the winds today and I did not wear gloves, so my hands are freezing. So I'm going to head back, find a piece of driftwood to line all the stones up on, and yeah, a very quick rock counting trip today. That's okay. I'm just happy to have gotten out while it was sunny, and I mean there's actually sunshine. I haven't seen it in like days, so it's great. Man, I would not want to be on that ship right now in that ocean. Way too rough. I can imagine how rocky it is. Not my thing. Okay, so I've laid out the rocks. 5 finds today. Not bad. Well, I found more, but 5 good finds today. Not bad considering I've only been here for about 15 minutes before it got too cold. So that's pretty good going. I'm going to be taking these 2 home and leave the rest there. Maybe someone else will find them. Oh, now I'm going to head back to the car and get back to feeling warm again. Oh, thank you all for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.